Well, writing this fraction in its lowest terms should be quite easy. You type it into your calculator as a fraction, just like that. Press the equals button and it will cancel it down immediately to 1/7. If you wanted to do it and had to this was in a non-calculator paper, you'd divide top and bottom by the same thing. You could see what goes into both. Probably see that both divide by 2. Well, they definitely do because they're both even. That'd be 8/56. Now again, you might see that 7/8 of 56, you could divide top and bottom by 7, but if you didn't, if you still kept on dividing by 2, you'd be okay, because that would give you 4/28. Again, you might see a 4 goes in there, but if you didn't, you'd divide top and bottom by 2 again, and that will give you 2/14, and at that stage you would keep on going, and eventually you'd get to there. If you use your calculator, bang, straight there. Right, second part. Boris wins £5,000. He gives 1/5 of the money to his wife. Well, let's just work out. It says 1/5 of 5,000. So 1/5 of 5,000. You should know what that is anyhow, but you could always do a 5,000 divided by 5. That's 1,000. That goes to his wife. Okay. He gives 30% of the remaining money. So he had 5,000. So the remaining money is 4,000. And now we've got to work out 30% of 4,000 because that's going to go towards his children. So 30% of 4,000. Well, there's lots of different ways of doing this. You could find 1% and times by 30. I'll probably find out what 10% is. 10% of 4,000 is 400, and so 30% is 1,200. And don't forget you've got a calculator, so there's no reason to get any of this wrong. And that 1,200 goes towards the children. So he's now got left, he has got 4,000, that's what he had before, and he's got to take away that 1,200 because that goes towards children, and that will equal 2,800. But that's not it says what percentage of the original amount does he have left. So he's got 2,800 or 2,800. He originally had 5,000. Quite worthwhile seeing. He's got just over half of it, but that is a fraction. Change the fraction into percentage. You do 2,800 divide by 5,000 and then times by 100, and that'll give you answer as a percent, and that is 56%. And you can see it's right because it is just over half what he had. And that's your 5 marks, and that's done.